Previously, we discussed the concept of selecting and arranging items separately. Now, we'll combine these two ideas into a single concept known as permutation. So basically over here, we are looking at selecting and then arranging of things. So as a definition, it is nothing but permutation is a way to count the number of ways in which a selection of object can be arranged in a specific order. So we're counting how by selecting items and then arranging them. So let's look at just arranging of things. We have 3 cards and we need to arrange them. How all can we arrange them? That's the first way. Second, so basically there are 6 different ways, right? What if I increase the number of cards? That's your count number 1. I'll just fast forward it. (23) and 24. So there are 24 different ways of arranging 4 cards, right? So this was 6 ways. The other one was 24 ways. Now let's select and then arrange. So we're going to select 2 items out of 3 and then we're going to arrange. Here the order matters, remember. Arrangement and selection of things matters. Both matter over here in permutation. So think of putting 2 people out of 3 in the place of president and vice president. Remember, the place of president is not the same as vice president, and the role and the power of vice president is not the same as president's, right? So the order matters. So let's look at these possibilities. 3 people. That's the first possibility. This is the second one. Please understand that red being selected first and then the blue is not the same as blue being selected first and then the red. Same as selecting a president and a vice president. They are not the same. What if we had 4 people? So this was 6 different ways. What if we had 4 people for the same seats? So I'll fast forward this. So basically there are 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 12 different ways, right? So in the next video, we'll understand how do we do this with the help of numbers. That is, basically we'll derive a formula to get this results without doing all of this, right? So simulation is all that is okay, but up to certain extent. After that, we can't handle it. It's not practical. So in place of listing, in place of looking at all the possibilities, if you just want the number of different ways, then we use the idea of permutation, right? For now, you guys should pause and write the heading, the basic idea and the definition.